Hey guys, it's time for a new Fundrise account update. My current account is at little over $4,500, and yeah, so this is a breakdown. The dividends are almost equal to the appreciation at this point, and a little over $49.54 earned to date. If you guys don't know about Fundrise, it's a crowdfunding real estate platform where you can get involved in real estate at your own pace and kind of be part of the action. Get involved without, getting your hands dirty yourself and going out there and doing it. I believe in this is a great way for passive income where all you're doing is putting your money to work and let professionals to go to work. But I also love real estate for actually doing it yourself. I have a pretty diverse portfolio with stocks and investment accounts and real estate. I have a few homes that I rent out currently as well. So it's just all about diversification and letting your money go to work. So let's talk a little bit more about there. We have a couple updates, so let's look at these together. I have not seen these as of yet. This is new, so let's see what they recently did. So new acquisition rental home in Los Angeles, which that's what they've been doing a lot this month, is getting rental homes in LA. So this is going to be more of the debt more. So it's not going to be appreciation. It's going to be more through dividends. And let's see what the other one was. Other one, industrial renovation in Atlanta. So I don't know much about what they're doing in Atlanta, but I do in a whole like what Fundrise is doing, and the investments they are making are on point in my opinion. I really like what they're doing in DC. They're buying up a lot of homes in Washington DC for like an equity turnaround where they plan on buying them, fixing them up, and selling them. And then depending on what part of the country they're doing, they're doing different things to meet the needs for the area they're investing in and the areas we are investing in. So guys, if you're interested in Fundrise, I highly, highly recommend Fundrise. But again, do your own due diligence. This is my investment. This is what I'm doing. This is what the videos I'm doing, and this is the money I'm investing in. But if you want to invest yourself, please do the research yourself. I will have a link down below if you do want to get involved. This is, like I said, my number one investment right now, even though this is by far not my highest percentage that I'm making right now, but I consider this a very long-term position. So within 10, 15 years, I expect this investment to really, really be good. As long as the economy stays good and we don't have some disaster that could happen at any time. There's always risk. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for any new videos, for new content. I do videos on different type of investments. I do real estate investments, peer-to-peer lending investments. I do stock investments. I'll probably start doing a little bit more of some day trading strategies I have. But it's more geared towards financials and diversifying your money. So thanks again. Appreciate it. Take care. Happy investing. Bye.